To enable and use the Quick Note feature with your S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Next, tap S Pen. And then tap the gray on offset next to Quick Notes until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, remove your S Pen. Press and hold the S Pen button and then double tap anywhere on the screen like this. As you can see, a new note will be instantly open. Now you can start writing or drawing on your note. Given to the function, you can use this feature to easily and quickly open a new note, so you can jot down your ideas anytime. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.